Hello learners, welcome back to Edquest and Module 2 of Generative AI course. I hope you are enjoying this course and implementing your learnings. In the last module, we discussed the introduction to Generative AI, covering what it is, why it is important, and its basic concepts. This is where we get incredibly practical, diving headfirst into the world of automation and low code. You will discover exactly how powerful platforms like Zapier and Make blend seamlessly with generative AI, enabling you to create powerful automated solutions. Get ready for exciting hands-on projects and assignments that will let you build and innovate. So let's get started. Meet Rahul, a brilliant business owner with big dreams, but he's incredibly stressed. He's constantly multitasking, drowning in everyday tasks like responding to customer emails, updating endless spreadsheets, posting on social media, and sending out newsletters. But the biggest challenge is he doesn't know how to code. So he feels stuck doing all these repetitive jobs manually. But one day, feeling overwhelmed, Rahul wished he had more time. Time to truly create, to innovate, and to connect with his audience. Suddenly a powerful thought struck him. What if some of these tasks could just do it themselves? Just automate themselves? This simple idea led Rahul to a game-changing discovery. Automation using low-code and no-code AI tools. So what is automation? Automation in simple terms is about getting machines or softwares to perform those repetitive tasks following a set of rules without any constant human help. This is what we call automation. It is truly amazing because it frees up the human potential for more complex and strategic work. Rahul's life completely transformed. He became a pro at multitasking, focusing on growth. So what are the advantages of using low code and no code AI tools? Firstly, it supercharges your solution. Let's consider coding here. Imagine building a house by making every single brick, cutting every piece of wood and mixing all the cement by yourself. It will take a long time. But imagine building that house with prefabricated walls, ready-made windows and snap together floorboards. You will be building much faster than that. That is low code and no code software for you. You are using ready-made blocks and visual connections instead of writing the complex code line by line. Another thing is, it reduces the manpower. And how? Let's understand. Hiring a team of highly specialized software engineers can be expensive, and they often have a long list of projects. With low code and no code, your existing team members, whether they are in marketing, operations, or sales, can often build the solutions they need themselves. In another way, we can see low code and no code advantages is transforming industries, be it marketing or be it automation in every possible sense. Campaigns launch quicker, customer engagement is more personalized, and valuable insights are available in real time, all without writing a single line of code. The processes are running smoother, errors are getting reduced, and employees are freed from hard work to focus on more strategic and human-centric tasks. It is about making the entire business run like a well-oiled machine. So what was Rahul doing earlier? All those overwhelming tasks like responding to customer emails, updating spreadsheets, posting on social media, and sending newsletters. All these tasks could now be performed by using low-code, no-code AI tools. So this is the main USP of low-code, no-code AI tools. But what are those tools? So introducing you to Zapier and Make. These are the tools that we are going to discuss about. What is Zapier? Zapier connects thousands of software tools like Gmail, Slack, LinkedIn, social media platforms, and you name it, so that you can set them up to work for you automatically. And what is Make? Make is nothing but very similar like Zapier. It is a visual platform that lets you build and automate tasks and workflows by connecting apps. So connecting these multiple apps is the USB of Zapier and Make. Let's try to understand by a brilliant example of email response automation. We are connecting Gmail with ChatGPT from OpenAI and connecting them with these low-code, no-code AI tools, we will get our email response automation process. Just imagine, every time a customer sends an email with a common question, an automated system instantly drafts a polite and personalized response and even adds them to the follow-up list. That is how Rahul discovered low-code, no-code AI tools. And that is what you can do too. We can use both Zapier and Make for making this tool. So, this is solving your problems and making you more efficient.